What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheBougieTarot, and I'm here doing my thing, my weekly thing for Subcom Media, okay? I'm not calling out specific signs. I'm just doing it by the elements, and this is all general for the next week, starting Sunday. Ooh, wait a minute. Starting Sunday. So here we go, not to waste any motherfucking time. And if y'all want to see me anywhere else, if y'all want any more details by the signs, then you're going to have to check me out on my own page. It's TheBougieTarot. Anywhere you look, YouTube, Instagram. I think that's all. Anyway, here we go. We're going to start with fire. Okay, I'm going to shuffle and I'm going to just draw off the top and see what story we get. Fire signs. This is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. 1, 2, and 3. The Devil, Strength, Page of Swords, and then the 8 of Coins. I drew cards just for practice on y'all signs earlier, and I just kept getting a whole bunch of bullshit. Like, I keep getting, like, people are trying to, like, mess with you, tempt you, or trying to change your mind about something, trying to change how you feel about something. And the Devil here is somebody working overtime to put you in a negative space. To make decisions that are detrimental to you. So what I'm seeing at the top of this, that's just at the top of everything this week. So watch out for people who are actually opposing you, because there will be people like that. And this is also giving me snake in the grass type shit. So keep your fucking grass cut low so you can see all the snakes up in that thing, all right? I know it might be hard for you to stay strong, but you have to. There's the Strength card here. And it's highlighting the rest of this reading because there will be information that comes through. There will be information that comes through that will tempt you. There will be information that comes through that kind of tries to change your mind, or wants you to change your mind, or at least wants you to act in a way that is opposite to you, or not in your best interest, or against your truest nature, okay? So you have you have 2 cards here that kind of reflect each other. They're almost in the same position. They're hunched over something. They're both redheaded women, and they're both they both have this look of strength and determination on their faces. So the 8 of Coins is about working hard, working diligently. So there will be somebody or something communicated to you that's opposing to you, that you have to hold on to what you already know, and you have to work really, really hard. It's going to be a tough week where you're going to have to work really, really hard to not let this affect you. Let me see if there is one more card here to give the rest of the story. Sorry, I just cut the AC on, and I'm still in Oklahoma. It's hot. Okay, here we go. Any other? Yeah. Don't do this. Just one. Any clarification card to round out the week for you. Watch out for those devils. Watch out for the snakes in the grass. I'm saying. I kept getting, as I was practicing with these cards, I'm telling y'all, I kept getting things like the Tower. I got a couple other cards that were just indicating somebody communicating something with you to throw you off your game. So stay strong in what you already know and work hard to defeat that devil, because it's working overtime for you this coming week. Okay? Anything else for my fire signs? Nope. Let's move on. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What's happening for you this next week? Let's keep shuffling. Okay, I will honor these 2 because they came out. 1, 2, and 3. So what just popped out were the 5 of Cups and the Knight of Wands. So the 5 of Cups is indicating disappointment, but something you did to yourself. And the Knight of Wands is determination to you could have disappointed yourself in a way that stops you from moving forward on something. That's what I'm seeing. The Ace of Swords is a new idea, a new communication coming through, or a spark of inspiration. Wheel of Fortune is basically changing your course of action, whether it's in a good way or a negative way, but it's a big way. So it's like you're coming off of the heels of disappointment, but you have to get up and pick yourself up and move on quickly, because there's something else on the horizon for you. The Ace of Swords, something else that might be communicated to you, and something that you need to take action on. There's the Justice out here as well. So at the end of this, everything will be put into place. But you might be starting off the week feeling like you fucked up. That's what I'm seeing. But it's not a long-lasting feeling, because the Knight of Wands is like, get up, get out, and get something. You know, you've got something else to still do, accomplish. And because the Wheel of Fortune is leaning into the Justice card, I'm seeing that it's something that puts things back into place for you, alignment for you. So you might be upset, earth signs, at the beginning of the week. You might hear some stupid news, or you might have felt like you made a mistake. But it won't last long at all. You'll get a spark of inspiration and a new idea, and you'll get an idea of how to change this stuff around for yourself. The Ten of Wands is out here. It just popped out while I was shuffling, and that is a release of all these burdens. So I do feel like you'll be able to breathe by the time this time next week, next Friday, Saturday. You'll be breathing and settling into a new reality. Okay. I don't know why I was drawn to pull another card for you, but the Page of Coins is here, and it's like starting new. Starting new. It is starting new. It is utilizing new skills that you've developed. So don't worry, earth signs. You'll be okay this next week. It might look like a tragedy, but it will not last you that long. I'm telling you that much, okay? Air signs. Who is it? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. My favorite messy signs. I love y'all so much, especially Gemini. I act like I hate Geminis, but I actually love Geminis. Air sign at the top of your reading, so let's keep pulling these cards. So there is definitely opportunity for you. There's something that you're going to come across. Okay, with the Justice card, it's like, again, like putting things, or things falling into place, or things working out for you in the way that they're supposed to. Even if it doesn't look like it's working out for you, it's working out for everybody involved in that situation. Everyone gets justice. Justice is blind. She does not care as long as things are set the right way. The Four of Coins is holding on to something too tight, or like keeping a resource a secret. So you might have been you'll be finding yourself in a situation where you're going to have to keep something to yourself, which is funny because you have the Eight of Wands here, which is being supported by having outward support, but it's also inspiration to keep going. So you'll come across something, all right? Something will be set right for you at the beginning of this week, and you'll want to hold on to this. Hold it close to your chest, okay? Not have everybody have access to it, because it's going to move you rapidly towards the Queen of Pentacles. She's fruitful. She is abundant. She's got her shit together. And she's not really... She's so unbothered by anybody else's situation. She's got her whole titties out, right? It's like, yeah, the Queen of Coins is also an archetype where, let's say, if you've been traveling or whatever, if it's somebody you haven't seen in a long time, you can go to their house. They have an extra room for you. They got all the change of clothes. They got food for you. They might even send you on your way with some money or something. Like, they're cool and they got it. So they're confident. At the end of this week, you'll come across something that's going to put you in a Queen of Coins position. You don't want to tell everybody, but you want to go after this with passion and gusto. That's the Eight of Wands there. So keep that shit to yourself. Let's see if there's another card that comes out to help set the tone for the week for you. Unless that was, oh, what was that? Who was that? You. Six of Cups. Childhood situations, childhood friends, or just the feeling of comfort. Just the feeling of being taken care of. The Queen of Coins is like mothery too. So you could be connecting with a mother figure who makes you feel like a kid again, who takes care of you and loves on you, air signs, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. Or you're just learning how to make things simple. The Six of Cups in this deck indicates like childhood memories, but how kids are so satisfied with simple things. Okay, all they need is their imagination. All right, now water signs. Let's go ahead for the rest of the week for you, starting this Sunday. What's up, water signs? That's Cancer. Forgetting you guys. Oh my gosh, Cancer. Who else? Cancer. Y'all are being selfish right now, Cancer. Y'all not letting me think about anybody else. Cancer. Holy mug. Scorpio. I'm sorry. And Pisces. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's up for the week? What's up? 1, 2, 3. I know you wanted to come out. This one was being a butthead. A spark of inspiration for sure. Okay, I'm glad that nobody's week is totally terrible. Fire signs are the only ones you have to watch out. So you have a spark of inspiration at the start of this week, motivation to do something new, or somebody bringing you a new way of seeing things, okay? So the Queen of Swords is not taking no shit from nobody. Then you have the Knight of Coins and the Four of Swords. So it's like being so focused on your value this week. So the Knight of Coins is someone who understands the value of what they bring. They move slow enough to be able to see all the details, to not let anything slip them by, and to not... This is a hunter, okay? He's got his bow and arrow, but he's moving on a very, very slow moving animal. That means he's not chasing. That means he's kind of like following a herd, but also looking at which one he wants to like throw that arrow at. So the Queen of Swords is being very decisive, very knowing what you want, knowing what you want to say, knowing what ideas are real to you, and that's important for you, water signs, so that you can make the right decision here. And the Four of Swords is out here, okay? This is a respite. This isn't quite traditionally like, oh, meditate on one thought. It's saying that you have a lot of things that are going to come at you. So this is the moment, and this is the moment in time where you're going to have to rest. This does show me that you are going to be hit with this strike of inspiration with the Ace of Wands, something new. But not to really move on it yet, but to make sure that the Queen of Swords is kind of like that checkpoint. She has that list of requirements for you. So if she doesn't, if that idea, if that passion doesn't pass the test, then you need to move slow on this. So let's see what else is coming up for the rest of the week. One more card for an underlying. I said one. They acting up for y'all. Okay, there it goes. 8 of Coins. Another card indicating routine and not really moving too fast. So water signs, even though this beginning of the week is going to be like, aha, eureka, or something like that for you, you're going to want to have to sift through everything that comes with that. And it's going to also require you to be on a schedule and work really, really hard towards manifesting that situation. So you're gonna have an idea that will need to pass the test first before you can move on. And it seems like it will, because you will be working on it steadily. It's almost like having a new job where you have to learn all the rules, and you can't expect to climb the ladder so quickly. Okay, so that's what I have for everybody. Thank you for tuning in for Subcom Media and the Bougie Tarot. If you want to see my longer, more detailed readings, hit me up on Instagram and YouTube.